Today, the energy map is being redrawn, and the most prominent crayons which are doing this are economics. So, renewables are attacking oil and gas on the economy parameter. Environment, which is climate change as well as pollution. The resources and technology. So, the technology is making energy which was a reserve, it is converting that only epicenter of energy, which was a reserve, to an equipment. Photovoltaic cell and windmills are equipments, and they are more local, more democratic. And even though the minerals are still geographically concentrated, there is a corporate concentration and process concentration in case of minerals. Still, the concentration is not so much as that was in oil and gas. And even though minerals are also under a question mark, as with the question that big oil should not give uh, birth to big shovel, still the mineral scene seems to be still, at least till so far, it seems to be more democratic and more fair, despite the fact that minerals are also susceptible to unfair mining, lot of health issues, social interest, etc.